Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Xianyu Chinese shopping app or Idlefish Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you how to check if seller have actually shipped your order on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, however, pinduoduo, Idlefish or Xianyu app, JD.com, Alibaba or AliExpress or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to contact me on WhatsApp, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier on Alibaba, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about China importation business. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our Xianyu shopping app. After you open up your Xianyu shopping app, next thing you want to do is make sure you click on your profile icon right here. So click on your profile icon, then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on here. Then here you go. You have all orders that have been shipped right here in this particular sections right here. From here, you can check the order status. For that, go ahead and open up each of the link one after the other. So for instance, if I want to check out this particular order ship status, I will go ahead and click on the product link right here. That will give me the detail about the order on transit, such as the tracking number and the movement of the goods, just like what you see right here. Is that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about China importation business with Xianyu app, 1688, JD.com, Alibaba or AliExpress or 60 or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to follow your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.